Hey guys, I'm Johnny Scoville and this is Chase the Heat. It's another installment of Late Night Snack Time with the Scoville Squad, and I've got Budgies Jerky. Tony Burridge, my man, down under. Pick some great jerky. This is his Inferno Extra Hot. Made in Australia. You might ask how I got this. Well, you probably figured it out. This was sent to me by Chili Mama Bird. Thank you so much, Bree. Super excited about trying this. I started a jerky series here that'll happen in the late night snack time. And I created a playlist. If you haven't gone, check it out. Do that. There's a playlist now for jerky. This will be part of it. Anyway, wonderful, beautiful warning and disclaimer. I mean, come on. Really? I love that. I really do. Here are the ingredients. Salt, spices, dextrose, paprika, hot chili powder, hot cayenne pepper, extras of paprika, natural smoke flavor, less than 2% silicon dioxide, and soybean oil, refined to be allergen free. Soybean oil is added to prevent caking. The cure is salt, sugar, sodium nitrate, and caramel color. My mouth is watering just talking about it. You definitely pick up the peppers, but there's just the smoke aroma is gorgeous. It makes you just want to keep smelling it. For real. It smells incredible. Man. Gosh, it smells good. All right, guys. So from down under, from Budgies Jerky. Something's wrong with me. My mouth is watering like you can't believe. All right, guys, this is his Inferno Extra Hot. Thank you, Tony. Thank you so much, Bree. I'm Johnny Scoville. This is JC. Yeah, this is for real. You know the gripe. Jerky's never hot enough. They say it's hot, it's not. Whoops. Actually, let me give that Scoville Squad person a shout out. That beef jerky is amazing. All right, so Wes Marciniak from Canada just purchased some Penango. Thank you, man. I appreciate it so much. I want to give you a shout out. Anyway, I have a new rating system with peppers. I came to the idea because, look, the hottest pepper I've eaten is a Primatali. But that day, my heat scale, it only got to a 3. It's sort of absurd to give the hottest pepper I've ever eaten a 3. So I have a new rating system. That pepper's a 10. Now, my heat that day, my pain scale was only a 3. But that pepper is a 10. I've never had hotter. So I'm going to do the same thing with every category. As far as jerky goes, you might find challenge jerky that's hotter. You know what I mean? That's like a specifically for a challenge. Because there are some out there. I'd give this a 9. You aren't going to find jerky a whole lot hotter. You just won't. Unless it has extract on it. This is really hot. There's a sweetness to it that's beautiful. A smokiness that's incredible. Great beef flavor. Great pepper flavor. This is really delicious. Like, no joke. But hot. If you're not a chili head, you wouldn't enjoy it. Now, my heat scale, a 1. But move my needle, and it's, you know, it's got heat. Absolutely delicious though, for real. I don't remember the first Budgies I tried. But this one is my favorite so far. The next one I got, the flavor profile is out of control. Wait till you see it. You'll see it soon. If you're in Australia, you probably know about it already. Budgies. If you're in America, get some. You know, it's going to cost more to ship it over here, but the flavor's insane. Really good. Just saying to you. Tony, great jerky, man. I really like that. So there's my by the way, let's talk about the heat. I'd say it's like a 9 as far as heat, you know, jerky goes. But if you're somebody who likes hot stuff, this would probably be like a 5 for you. Maybe even a 6. No, you know what? It'd be a 6, maybe a 7. If you're a non-chili head, it'd be way higher than the 10. It'd be uncomfortable. But wow, very, very good. There'll be a link in the description box below. Get your hands on some. I promise you, you'll thank me. Bree, I love you. Thank you so much for saying this to me. More jerky on the way. Jerky videos. Thank you so much. That was Budgies. Man, oh man. Right there is our pepper. You know what? If you click that pepper, you become part of our family. It's really neat. It's growing. It's getting larger all the time. If you don't want to miss a video, there's a little bell, a little icon for a bell. Click it. A drop box happens. Hit all. You'll miss nothing. League of Fire. I'll be getting with David this weekend. We'll come up with a date. We're gonna be doing it on Zoom. Man, it's gonna be fun. I'm gonna come up with an email. So if you want to be a part of it, and we'll tell you how to log into it. It's gonna be very, very fun. I'm talking about our League of Fire, Tube of Terror, gigantic attempt. See how many people from the Scoville Squad can get into the League of Fire. Video's there. I love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'm Johnny Scoville. This was Chase the Heat.